Alright, here's the blade. I've done the beveling this morning. I did the polishing. It's not sharp yet, but I'm getting ready to start working on the handle. And just to show you what I used this morning, been using my strop and sandpaper. That's sandpaper on there. Been 220, 500, and or 1,000 grit sandpaper to do the polishing and the beveling this morning. So we'll get to the handle. Alright, we'll use a coping saw to round off the front of my scales. Alright, quick update. I've got the handles roughed on. I've got to smooth all this down, start shaping the handles. Before I put the handles on, I went ahead and took the coping saw and shaped this, but just to give you a little bit of advice, don't cut yourself with a coping saw. Alright, you can see the mess I've made today. Worked inside. Let me show you the knife. Alright. Yeah. Don't have it sharpened yet. I've got it where it's ready to sharpen. But this is what I've done so far today. I've roughed the handle in. I've got the handle on. I've got it rough shaped. Got a lot of work to do. As you can see, this scale is thicker than this one here. It's even more noticeable here. So I got quite a bit of forming to do. But like I said, I've got it on. I've got the edges rounded where I can feel it and decide where I need to make it smaller. I've got the wood flushed to the tang. I've got, like I say, I hadn't even tried to get any of the rough spots out, so like I say, I've got quite a bit of work to do here. But I've got all the brass pins flushed, the lanyard hole flush. I've got these pretty close as far as being even, but again, this scale is thicker. I found that it was helpful using a little coping saw to help cut out places like this instead of doing all the sanding. And I hadn't used any sandpaper yet. I used a bastard file, and I used a half round, and I used these two little round files is what I've used for the handle today. So I say I'll keep cleaning up the handle. I'll wait and see what the next video is that Tim posts. But I figure once I get this handle finished, I'm going to use teak oil. I've used teak oil before. I use it on a lot of things. I've done a teak wood handle, not teak wood, desert ironwood handle one time, and I used teak oil, so I'll use that. Like I say, I'm actually fairly tickled at how this has come out so far. Thanks.